Alright, this is I guess the fifth tutorial. Last I can't remember. So I'm sorry I switched to VS. So I'm using VS Express 2 or 12 for Windows. So those having problems with VS on how to um, run your program, simple. Let's go to File, go to New Project, select Windows 32 console application, and go to OK. Then you get a blank window like this one over here. What you're going to do is going to write here console application, add, go to new item. So you select C++, type in source as I have done it, and just start coding. So I guess I've turned off the intel. No, I got the advantage of using VSS. You get the intelligence. So you may have noticed why I've done the system pause out here. I'll just comment it right here, and now if I run the program, right, just observe the screen. You saw that? Yeah. The thing is, the C++ code compiled, ran, and it was done. It's over. So you need to pause the screen over here. So using system pause over here. Now today's tutorial is on operators, the unary operators specifically, and how to perform some addition and arithmetic operations. The main criteria today will be. So over here, okay. I guess I hope the screen is visible now. I just put that on over here. Alright. You take two variables. Yeah, I'll be using type def now. Type def say int a. Alright, so a, let's say a1 equals say 10, a2 equals 20. That will be enough for that. Now I'm going to add them simply, not to hold those, but to make another variable. A3 equals, that's it. I work out. So I'm going to perform an addition of a1 and a2. So I'm going to hold that in a3 equals a1 plus a2, and I'm going to display it. See out. Just a3. Done. Alright. So, whoa. I got into debug mode over here. Yeah, you can see the value is 30. You know what? Should I comment them? No, it's okay. Like a drum roll value a3 is a good. Now I'm going to perform another one. So a3 equals a1 minus a2. Now you see the value of a3 now is 30. So when I do a3 equals 10 minus 20, the value 30 will be replaced by minus 10 out here. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm just trying to debug mode once again. Yeah, I got a breakpoint here. Yeah, here you go. A3 is minus 10 now. F5, yeah, there. Alright, now, yeah, I got some more of them. Like suppose A3 equals A1 into A2 here. Similarly, A3 equals A1 divided A2 and is trivial of these are the operations here. Here you go. All right, and the other one is the modulus operator. A3 equals A1 mod A2. What this does is it gives you the remainder. So when you go for 10 divided by 20, the remainder is 10. When you perform logic of 10 divided by 20, you get the remainder as 10. So that's what the modulus operator does. Now the other thing is the postfix and the prefix. Now suppose A3 is say 10, alright? And I'll just print out the values. Yeah, alright. Now we know A3 is 10. Now when I do A3 plus plus, this in here what it does is it increments value of A3 to 1. Display it once again. Go. So the value of A3 now is 11. Here you go. So you see, I'll just type here as current value of A3 and new value of A3, and now you oh, now the other thing is if I do a prefix operation. This is a prefix operation, it's a postfix operation. Well, it's still the same. So what's the difference between these two values? Now the thing between these two values is, yeah, I think I should travel, yeah, once, and now. Let's see, newest value. Check on the album. Oh, oh, oh. Now you see. Alright, it goes to 10, 11, 12. Now if you go to the other way, what this does is it increments the operator. This is the previous operator. What it does is increments the value of A3, that is, it makes it 10 and then displays it. And here it first displays the value and then increments it. Now, check the difference. Here. Now, alright. So that's a little, these questions of the prefix and the postfix are specifically asked in debugging questions. Alright, this will be the preferred one. I've made some changes over here. Now, over here, you're displaying plus plus A3. Alright, what it does, it first increments the value and then outputs it. And over here, it first displays the value and then increments it. Now, if you see the difference, oh, come on, here you go. A is 10 over here previously. You go to 11. It's incremented, but over here you don't see increment. Actually, it has displayed the value and then incremented it. So now, if I remove this, the value is actually, you can see over here. Here you go. News. It has been displayed first and then incremented. Right? That's all for this tutorial. Next